Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delightful breakfast. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Finally, have 1 cup of mini marshmallows ready to elevate your pancakes. Now let's get that batter ready for some fluffy pancakes. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, the large egg, and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once both mixtures are prepared, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir just until everything is combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat your griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a light coating of oil or butter. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see lovely bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip each pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides. Here's where the magic happens. After you flip your pancakes, immediately sprinkle a generous amount of mini marshmallows onto the uncooked side. As the pancake finishes cooking for its final 1 to 2 minutes, the marshmallows will soften and melt slightly, creating a gooey, sweet surprise. Once cooked, serve your warm marshmallow pancakes right away. They are absolutely delicious with a drizzle of maple syrup, some fresh berries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.